5 reasons to develop your creativity in daily life. You might think that creativity is something you can't do. So many people say, oh, I'm just not the creative type. But it is within everyone to be creative. And it's not just good for the soul to sketch or play with clay or embroider. Creativity comes in all shapes and sizes, and it has some unexpected benefits for the rest of your life. 1. Creativity helps you solve problems. Fostering your creativity trains your brain to be more adaptable and flexible in dealing with all sorts of problems. Not just how to get that pot completely balanced and smooth, but how to solve that problem with a work project, or a relationship, or a career issue. Being creative takes you out of the linear thinking mode and the confines of regular logic. Options stop being only black and white. Your mind can look at your problem from many different angles and see potential nuances that you might otherwise miss. 2. Creativity can help you live longer. Surprising but true. Studies have shown that being creative can actually reduce your mortality risk and add years to your life. Making, drawing, woodwork, knitting, or painting all fire different neural pathways in your brain and help reduce stress and anxiety. Creativity slows cognitive aging and enables you to lead a happier, more fulfilling life. 3. Creativity grows your confidence. Learning a creative skill takes application and lots of practice. You'll make a lot of mud pies and lopsided pots before you can create beautiful and functional tableware. Mastering your chosen art form helps you develop confidence in your abilities that will overflow to other areas of your life. As you overcome failure and succeed in making beautiful things, you'll see that persistence and optimism is the way to success. 4. Creativity is immensely satisfying. There's nothing like starting with raw materials and being able to make something unique from them. Whether you start with a lump of clay or you make your summer wardrobe from scratch, you know you have the skills and creative spark to make whatever you want. You aren't dependent on stores and other people's work. You know you can start with zero skills and learn a completely new skill. 5. Creativity helps you express yourself. Making an artwork or a piece of writing or an item of clothing allows you to make something that is completely yours. No one else can make the exact same thing that you can. Living a creative life can help you see that whatever you bring to the world is unique and special.